打太极拳 to do Tai Chi. 打 makes yet another appearance in lesson 4. As we've said, 打 means to hit, strike, or play. 太极拳 is the proper name of the Chinese martial art, Tai Chi. If we look at the characters individually, we'll see that Tai means highest, greatest, too much, or extremely. Ji also means extremely or at most. And Quan means fist or boxing. Tai Chi should be seen as a pair here, and together they mean absolute, supreme, or ultimate. Hence, when we 打 strike, Tai Chi, the ultimate Quan fist, we 打太极拳 or simply do Tai Chi. 跳舞 to dance. 跳 means to jump, hop, skip, or bounce over. 舞 means to dance, wield, or brandish. 跳舞 then is to 跳, jump, hop, skip, and bounce, while one is 舞, dancing, or in other words, dancing. In my many years of teaching, I've noticed that 跳舞 is actually one of the words my students always seem to have learned well and learned early. It also seems they always learn it together with 喝酒, which we learned in the last lesson means to drink alcohol. I wonder why. 没想到 unexpected. 没 is a negative prefix for verbs, generally signifying not or have not. 想 means think, believe, suppose, or wish, while 到 here is a complement to the verb before it and denotes completion or a result of said verb. Therefore, if we know that 想到 means to have thought of something, by adding 没 in front of it, we are simply negating it. So, 没想到 is to say I have not or did not think of that. That was unexpected. 城市 city. 城 means city walls, city or town, while 市 means market or city. 城市 then again is another word with two mutually reinforcing characters, clearly pointing to the same meaning, here being namely city. For comparative purposes, we can talk about living in the country as opposed to living in the city. If you wanted to tell someone you prefer living in this country, 乡下, to living in the city, you could say, 我比较喜欢住在乡下，不喜欢住在城市。场 major word for recreational activities. 场 is a major word or classifier for large areas, events, happenings, or as it occurs in our dialogue, recreational activities. If, for example, you wanted to watch a basketball game, you would simply say, 我要看一场篮球赛. In the dialogue, 场 means one game and appears together with our very next vocab entry. 一对一 one-on-one. Before taking pipe on a stroll around the park, Eddie tells Pipe, let's first play one game of one-on-one. 先来一场一对一 where 一场, as we just learned, means one game or one match, and 一对一 means one-on-one. 对 means a number of things, but here is best thought of as opposite, or to face off. 一, of course, means one, hence 一对一 is one opposite the other, one facing one, or what we generally know to be one-on-one. 逛, stroll, ramble, roam. 逛 means simply to stroll, ramble, amble, or roam. Unlike most of the other exercise vocab we've learned in this lesson, 逛 isn't typically an activity you're going to think of if you're hoping to get into shape. Having said that, if you find you're too tired to do any strenuous exercise, a pleasant stroll will still get the heart going. In most cases, 逛 is heard as part of 逛街, which means to take a walk, window shop, or stroll down the street.